Sparky's is dark. I tried some donuts yesterday, really good. I haven't had them in a while, but unfortunately pulling out Stardust, guys. And B, staying tuned as we see what other things are going to be closing. We just won't know until they're closed. There's no official announcements a lot of times. A lot of times you just have to go online, check my videos. We'll talk more about rumors, but there are rumors that maybe Jimmy Buffett and some other places. But these are all allegations. We just don't know. But also get your last Jamba in, because rumors Jamba and the Dodgers Club. So once again, these are rumors. We can't verify them. But yeah, anyway, guys, welcome to Universal Studios. Let's go through another walk through the park and have some fun.
Alan Greer. And with that, we're crossing the invisible line from the front lot, where there's all those buildings, to the back lot, where there's a lot of cool stuff to see. And our first stop is going to be our Metropolitan sets. So these sets, designed to basically be any city filmmakers need them to be. First thing we're going to see is our Brownstone Street. You might know why we call it that, because of the brownstone steps. You might recognize these sets on your right from Home Alone 2, Lost in New York. Macaulay Culkin was up there throwing bricks down, and Joe Pesci and Daniel Stern. It's also where Jim Carrey lived in Bruce Almighty.
Grace the dog! I'm in the shower!
Hey, it's Wacky Bruce. There he is.
Oh, you're done now. B-E-A.
It is beautiful, Jim, because we are now on my favorite street in the entire backlot. This is the street, the very street, that Marty McFly got the DeLorean up to 88 miles an hour in order to go back to the future. Welcome to Hill Valley, everybody.
Ooh, look at, they're doing construction so they can add the water back.
So it doesn't exactly look like the clock tower in that movie. It does still exist behind the set. You can see through the door, the column is still there. They changed it because
this area will be used for Fan Fest coming this April.
People recognize Hill Valley and get taken out of that story. Time the lightning strike happens in the movie. That's just an Easter egg for us when they're filming out here now. They take it down. That was also the courthouse in To Kill a Mockingbird with Gregory Peck. This whole area was also Kingston Falls in the Gremlins. The very first episode of The Twilight Zone. It's an episode called Where Is Everybody? And a guy's running around a deserted town, can't find anyone. That was all right out here as well. Recently, it's been used as Framingham, Massachusetts in the Ted TV show. This is where Ted goes to high school, right out here. It was used in Popstar, Never Stop, Never Stopping with Andy Samberg. Now the reason that it looks a little different is because when Ghost Whisperer did their filming here with Jennifer Love Hewitt, they were afraid that audiences would recognize Hill Valley. They didn't want that problem every episode. Hey, everyone, look, it's the cast of Love Island. Hey. I'm just kidding, guys. Those are VIP tours. Hey, Wendy. Congrats on the Bills. She's a Bills fan. Hi, Danielle. Big fan. Love your work. All right, guys. Well, now we're transitioning from small town Hill Valley to the Big Apple. We're going to hide out behind this dock filled with conveniently placed barrels of flammable gasoline and highly pressurized oxygen tanks. Should be nice and safe, except the sharks taking the whole pier with them. Yikes.
No fire.
Well, if anyone does see a shark, go ahead and scream. But then you add the rain. And that's created using more of an advanced piece of technology called sprinklers on a pole right there on the top. It's a really simple and effective way of getting across the tone you're going for in your movie. First Jurassic Park, first time you see the T-Rex, it's pouring rain, makes it more suspenseful. Shawshank Redemption, Tim Robbins escapes prison, pouring rain, makes it more dramatic. Ryan Gosling and Rachel McAdams kiss in The Notebook, pouring rain, makes it more romantic. And that movie ends and it starts to rain in my eyes. But here on the lot, if you leave the rain on a little too long, it can cause a flash flood. If anyone's looking for a place to stay tonight, we have a motel right here. It's called the Bates Motel. From what I understand, there are 12 cabins and 12 vacancies. The showers are to die for. They got killer Yelp reviews, so I know. Is that Norman Bates? Probably just getting the room ready for the next victim, or, guest. He's great. You always find a chocolate on your pillow. Bed made. Showers scrubbed. I've even heard when you're done with your stay at the Bates Motel, Norman Bates, he'll walk you to your car himself. Oh yeah, look at that. Even if you're sleepy. Even if you're dead tired. Right in the trunk. That's not a good look. You know what? We should probably get out of here before he sees us. I don't know if we're supposed to be kind of catching it. Oh, hey Norm, we're just passing through. We're all very clean. No one here needs a shower. So we'll just be on our way if that's cool with you. Yeah? Got what you got there? Oh, that's a big knife. We should probably get out of here, Mike. Let's get up the psychopath. Car 1, we should be good. Car 2, I think we're okay. Car 3, I don't know. Car 4, no chance. So sorry.
Oh, Hollywood sign's back to normal.
See you at the gym later, bro. Tonight we're doing spin class together. Ride or die. All right, did everyone enjoy Fast and Furious Supercharged? It is the grand finale of the studio tour, and it is the second largest, it is the first largest 3D experience in the world. Second largest is King Kong. Third largest? I don't know, but we did the top 2, so that's pretty cool. Oh yeah. Did you guys enjoy the tour?
Woo!
Okay, good. Did you learn something?
Yeah.
Okay, there will be a quiz. We got Scantrons waiting for you at the exit. No quiz, you guys, no quiz. Looks like there's a little bit of backup before we can get you back into the theme park. But what's a drive through LA without a little bit of traffic, am I right? So while we're stopped here, I'd like to take this opportunity to talk to you about Squarespace. Have you ever thought about designing your own website? Just start doing ads? No way. I listen to too many podcasts. But I will show you this fun clip, because if you're sitting in a blue seat, you could be sitting where one of these celebrities sat when they took the studio tour. Fun movies for you, just to enhance your movie watching experience. Now, before we get back, how about a round of applause for our driver, Mike, everybody? Got us all over this 400-acre lot in style. And once again, my name is Luke. If you have any questions or just want to say hi, I'll be hanging out over by the digital directory. And if you did not like the tour, then my name is Abe Froman, Sausage King of Chicago. And if at any point during the tour, if you felt inspired, you've always wanted to work in the movies, whether it be an actor, director, writer, producer, editor, driver, yeah, sound, catering, I say go for it. Get out there and live your dreams. No one else will. All right.
You only have to worry about these 4 squares. Anything outside, not our problem. Speaking of which, see, look. Once it goes there, not my problem. Check this out. You see one of these? It's not for a little party. You don't just like a little party. All right. Check this out. I'm always going like,
Here I come. You can't hide.
say what?
Ready or not, here I come. You can't hide.
Break it down like
watch me now, now watch me whip. Watch me now, now watch me whip. Watch me now, watch me. Watch me, watch me, watch me.
Make the motion! Okay, thanks for hanging out. See you guys later. Second.
And here we are going towards the King Kong lot, the metro station, and the hotels. Why are we doing that today, you might ask? Well, don't ask me questions. No, honestly, we're here because it's a beautiful night or a beautiful sunset over here. But besides looking at the sunset, this is going to be most likely closed off or gone or changed in some way. And if you're asking why, it's because of the new security system. They also might be changing up this over here as well. They might be, allegedly they are building something right here that could change the entire way that this area works, everyone. So right here might completely be changing in the next few months, including one of my favorite entrances to the park. I love this thing, but it may go away and we might only have one entrance to the park then to get in there. So thank you guys so much for watching this update at Universal Studios on Martin Luther King's Day. Hope you have a good time, and we will see you guys next time on Jared's Journeys. Hope you didn't touch that dial. We were actually back with a little bit more. What's going on in front of this? Oh my gosh, Dogman's right here, and he's looking incredible, of course, like a Dogman. You guys gonna see this? I'll be seeing it the Thursday before it comes out. Dogman made by the same studio that made Captain Underpants as well. But we're here to talk about this big blue thing. What is this? What's going on back here? What do you guys think they're gonna add here? You think they're gonna add a loop? I think they're gonna add a loop to the AMC movie theater. But yeah, what do you guys think? Do you think the store's gonna go there? Do you think they're gonna just re-cement it? What's going on? Also, more Dogman here. Anyway, thanks again for watching. Like, subscribe. We'll see you guys soon.